In today's competitive job market, courses and certificates are more than just credentials. They provide tangible evidence of your expertise and commitment to professional growth, setting you apart from other candidates. Employers value candidates who demonstrate a willingness to learn and adapt. By showcasing your certifications, you highlight your dedication to staying current in your field, making you a more attractive hire. Aligning courses with your career goals is crucial. Choose accredited and industry-relevant courses that enhance your skills and meet job requirements, ensuring they add value to your CV. Avoid outdated or irrelevant courses that may raise questions from employers. Focus on current, impactful courses that demonstrate your expertise and readiness for the role. Create a dedicated section for courses or integrate them into your education section. Use reverse chronological order to highlight your most recent achievements first. Keep descriptions concise and relevant. Highlight key learnings and achievements, ensuring each entry adds value and aligns with the job you're applying for. Don't include incomplete courses or basic skills unless specifically required. Focus on completed, relevant courses that showcase your expertise and dedication. Showcase examples tailored to different professions. Highlight key learnings and achievements using job-specific keywords to optimize for applicant tracking systems. For instance, a marketing professional might list a Google Analytics certificate, emphasizing skills in data analysis and digital strategy. Update your LinkedIn profile with new credentials and craft a matching cover letter. This ensures consistency and reinforces your professional brand. Explore further learning opportunities to enhance your CV. By continuously updating your skills, you remain competitive and ready for new challenges. Visit CVMaker.uk and start your career journey today.